Welcome to the project demonstration of baby presence detector warning system in car. In this project, we are using GSM module for message purpose and PIC microcontroller, LCD display. This is LCD display and LCD driver and motion sensor, IR sensor, and also using key. So we are providing the power supply through this adapter. It will take 230 volts of AC supply. So that 230 volts of AC supply will be converted into 9 volts of 12 volts of DC supply. So that 12 volts of DC supply will be given to this GSM module. So through this module we are giving the power supply to this all components. Here we can see. So we are connecting transmitter and receiver to this GSM module, and also we are taking the power supply from this GSM module to here to this board. Then this board will be divide the all components power supply. So this board will be divide the power to the all components. So let us see the demonstration. So here we can see SIM is already inserted in this place. So the light indication, here we can see the light indication. So when it is glow fast, which means signal is not connected to this SIM. So when it is glow slowly, which means this SIM is connected to the network, then only message will be sent. So here we can see ignition is on. So here we can see the ignition is on in the time. So when car is on, so if baby is detected, so it will not give any message to the mobile. So when ignition is off position, so when baby is detected in the car, so here we can see. So here we can see baby detected, sending message. Then message will be sent by this GSM module. So when these two sensors are detected, or when these two sensors are detected, it will produce one signal. So that signal will be given to this PIC microcontroller. In this PIC microcontroller, we program that when these two sensors give signals, then we have to send a message through this GSM module. So in this way, we program the code in this PIC microcontroller. Then this will be process the signal and give the signal to this GSM module. So GSM module will give the message to the coded number. So we can see the message alert in phone. So here we can see the alert baby on board, and also here is given 2 times. So in this way, this GSM module will be given to this message to our phone. And also we are providing the another 2200 microfarad capacitor parallel with the 1000 farad microfarad. Due to when sometimes power quality will be come low or high, to maintain the good power quality, we are connecting the another capacitor parallel with this capacitor. Then only the power quality will be good. In this way, this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.